having a party! Presents, presents!
Oh my goodness.
Come in. Welcome, welcome.
Hi, Amber.
Oh, look at the baby! We're having a baby shower!
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you
We've got to welcome
girls.
this new baby.
I can't believe you girls.
We'll put them all there.
Okay, good grief, y'all. Oh, how sweet. How sweet, my goodness. Everybody just, if this is going to make the humans uncomfortable, I'll put it up. The dogs don't care. Just want to do a little thing. I'll get Jamie. Jamie?
Jamie, look here.
Jamie. Oh, what a good girl you are to come to this party and bring gifts to your friends. Yeah.
Did they bring more food? Where'd it go?
So, what are you doing back there, Amber? Oh, did you have a fun time at the party? You're so pretty. You're such a pretty girl. Oh, Autumn, did you have fun at your party? Had a good time? Good.